keep dancing on me. Tell me why she licking on me. She glancing at me. I'ma take her home with me. Me and my niggas in the club.
So this your girl Shiny Sweets, the sweetest little thing yet. Danko Smokes is TORIOTO in the streets.
Most I got coming out, you already know, it's coming out July 21st. It's called World Rally Cup. You know, it's featuring music that's based on the car culture and everything like that. So I'm trying to bring together the people who love cars and music and come together so we can all have a good time and, you know, kick that going off like that.
July 21st?
July 21st.
July 21st, World Cup. So you got a song out and I heard you got like a lot of views. What song was that?
That was song Ghost. It's called Ghost. You can check it out. Spotify, you know, iTunes, Amazon Music, Deezer, whatever platform you use. Check it out. And the song that I have under license with Sony Music is Hipster Plug. That's going up right now. He's doing a lot of work out here in New York. Shout out my bro Hipster Plug. You know, Ron So Quiet. All the way.
So, with you doing into anime and everything like that, you have a lot of fans that's also into the same thing. So, what's some of your favorite anime characters and all this stuff like that?
So, you know, I'm old school. I was born in the 90s. So, you know, I grew up watching Dragon Ball Z. You know, Naruto. I like Naruto Uzumaki. You know, I'm into My Hero Academia. You know, all the Cowboy Bebop, you know, all those shows you used to see on Adult Swim, you know,
right.
late
night, Adult Swim.
Parents wouldn't let you watch it, but you stayed up anyway.
Facts. I was a Nick at Night type of person, but you know, that's cool. One cartoon was what? Avatar? Were you into Avatar and all that stuff like that?
Yeah, I was into Avatar, like the Airbender, you know, the whole thing with the elements and everything. That's really like on some conscious type thing, you know. It's like dealing with that and bringing that into children, into their lives. It's like opening more genres with their imagination instead of just like more so doing stuff with technology, you know what I mean?
Right.
Because I feel like growing up, you know, I didn't have an iPad, you know, I didn't have iPhones, I didn't have laptops, all I had was my imagination.
Right.
And that's kind of how I like to portray things now, you know, and just keep that energy alive too as well with some listeners. I'm trying to get into like the more so of like having people listen to my music at this World Rally Cup events. You know, I got people like Patrick Sandell from Subaru SRT Racing Group. He's following me on Instagram. Shout out Rachel Kelly. She's from Rio de Janeiro, from Brazil. She's a rally car driver racer. You know, my boy Costa. Everybody's out there, and it's gonna be love. It's gonna be really cool. You know, especially, you know, like when you're driving, you know, you like to like just turn on the music and, you know, bump it while you're driving, you know, listen to it. And sometimes it makes you want to drive fast. And you have music, you know, that makes you want to chill, you know, set that time a little bit. So, you know, that's what I'm targeting for. And that's what I'm working on.
How long have you been in the industry with the music and everything like that? It seems like you grew up with the imagination, with anime and racing, so that kind of guided you. But how did you get to doing the music for everything?
Honestly, it started me out, you know, seeing my boy Dakari, you know, Kari Atari, you know, seeing them do their thing as Troop 41, just seeing them how they move from Troop 41 to Happy Atari was a big transition, and you know, they kind of got me started doing music, you know what I mean? Like, I've always wanted to do music, but you know, those are the guys to hang around with, so I kind of just, you know, everybody, birds of a feather flock together, so you know, we all do music, we're all bros, and I just kind of picked up a lot of stuff from them, and they kind of helped me out and just kind of guided me, you know, and then it's like now I'm just like, you know, doing my own thing, but still, you know, still under the Pink and White family, but we all busy, we all doing our own thing, you know. Look out for that album, Pink and White. That's dropping this month. Check it out. And
so, like you said, birds of a feather flocks together, and I'm just gonna call you Smokes because I'm not gonna lie, I want to mess up his name. But you're here, Danko Smokes, Shiny Sweets, the sweetest little thing you're in with Most Wanted Radio.
The stars really on the route too. Yeah, man. Shout out Most Wanted Radio. It's your boy Danko Smokes. Already know we out here at Raleigh Rolls Royce. Appreciate everything, you guys. Check out that World Rally Cup July 21st. You already know. That way.